Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove Authenticator on battle.net because now I have a problem. When I set up my Authenticator, basically when I try to log in, they will ask me to approve my login through my phone, and when I do that, nothing happens. So I will show you how you can remove it, and you don't have any problem with that as well, right? So what you need to do here, you need to basically go to battle.net login here, like I'm here, and you don't need to log in, but press this can't login button here. And once you do that, then the new menu shows up, and then you need to press remove my authenticator. And then you need to put your email. So I will put my email here. And press continue. And once you do that, then as you can see here, security check, please help us keep this account secure with a quick security check. And if your authenticator do not working, you need to check this SMS basically option and press submit. And then you should get a code, right? So I should get a code now. I need to wait for a few seconds here. Right, so I got the code and I need to put it here. And press submit. And then as you can see here, you need to re-enter your password here. And as you can see here, you have removed the authenticator from your battle.net, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.